Good morning, sir. Welcome to City of Paradise. Do you have any reservations, sir?
Yes.
May I have your name, please, sir?
It's under Mr. Gonchalo.
Wait, sir. Okay, sir. I'll just check it for a second.
It's okay, take your time.
Yes, sir. You have a reservation for one. Come this way, sir, please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Allow me, sir.
Okay. It's okay. Good luck.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Our waiter will be with you in a short while.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Bob.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. May I?
Okay, thank you.
I will be right back, sir, for Avenue card.
It's okay. Thank you. Take your time.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
My name is John Boy, and I will be your order taker
Okay.
this day. May I present to you our menu?
Right. There's a lot. Wait, okay.
Excuse me, sir. I'll be back to take order to 55 minutes.
Okay. Take your time.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
If you are ready, may I know your order?
Okay. So I would like to order a piece of pineapple chicken and also a glass of soda.
Copy, sir. Would you like to try our best seller, creamy carbonara?
No, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Your food will be delivered after 10 to 15 minutes. Do you need anything else, sir?
Nothing.
Thank you, sir. Um, Excuse me, sir. May I complete the setup? Excuse me, sir. May I complete the setup for you?
Yes, please.
Excuse me. Here's your meal, your soda, and your pineapple chicken.
Okay, thank you.
May I clean your plate, sir?
Okay. All done. Bill, please.
Excuse me, sir. I present your bill.
Yes. How much is it?
Later. Okay. Your bill is 700 pesos.
May I take a look?
Sir, I received an exact amount of 700 pesos.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for dining with us. We're looking forward to you next visit. Have a nice day.
Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you.